Okay, hi students. Today we are learning the topic in this lecture Laplace transformation of multiplication by powers of t. So given function f of t, then already finding Laplace transformation of f of t. Now multiplying by t powers to given function, that is t into f of t square into f of t, up to so on t power n into f of t. Then out to finding Laplace transformation of that multiplication by t functions. Okay, na? See the statement and formula. So we know that L of f of t is equal to f of s. So then L of t power n into f of t అంటే f of t function ki multiplying t power n అంటే t square t cube up to so on, where n is equal to positive integer. Okay na? So that is equal formula here minus 1 power n d power n by ds power n అంటే n times differentiation of L of f of t. మనకి ఇచ్చిన ఫంక్షన్ f of t కి n టైమ్ డెరివేట్ చేయాలి. ఎప్పుడు నౌ ఫైండింగ్ ఇయర్ లాప్లేస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్, వచ్చిన లాప్లేస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్కి n టైమ్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్. ఓకేనా? సో దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ 1 పవర్ n L of f of t మీన్స్ f of s. ఓకేనా? సో దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఇయర్ నోట్. సో n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 1 అయినప్పుడు సో t ఇంటూ f of t అంటే మల్టిప్లికేషన్ బై t ఓన్లీ వన్ టైమ్ డెరివేటివ్ అంటే మైనస్ L of t into f of t is equal to minus d by ds into L of f of t. So t square, L of t square into f of t, 2 time multiplication t square. So 2 time differentiation, minus to minus plus d square by d square into L of f of t up to so on L of t cube third times into f of t, that is equal 3 times and minus into minus into minus minus d cube by ds cube, 3 time differentiation of L of f of t. So up to so on. Okay na? This is the Laplace transformation of multiplication by powers of t. Yeah, see the example here. Find t into cos square t. So చూడండి ఎలా ఉంది, multiplication by t కదా. So this is f of t, ఇది multiplication by t. So L of t into cos square t is equal to L of t into f of t. So since we know that Laplace transformation of multiplication by t, that is equal to minus d by ds into L of f of t. అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఫైండింగ్ L of f of t ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, దాన్ని డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేయాలి వన్ టైం. సో దేర్ ఫోర్ L of t into f of t is equal to given cos square t, that is equal to minus d by ds of L of cos square t, that is equal to here minus d by ds of cos square t is the second degree function కదా, converted first degree 1 plus cos 2t by 2. So minus d by ds of 1 by 2 into 1 by s plus s by s square plus 4. So now one time differentiation, minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by s square derivative, and this is the derivative u by v method. Okay, u by v, s square plus 4 into derivative of s1 minus s into derivative of s square plus 4 2s by s square plus 4 whole square. So now simplification is this is a required result. Okay na? Okay, see the second example. Find Laplace transformation of t square into e power minus 3t, that is equal to, let f of t is equal to here e power minus 3t. Since multiplication by t square, so this is a d square by dx square L of f of t. So L of t square into e power minus 3t is equal to d square by dx square L of f of t is equal to here e power minus 3t. So 2 times differentiation. So d square by dx square L of e power minus 3t formula 1 by s plus a kada, k is equal to 3. So 1 by s plus 2 time differentiation. So first time differentiation d by ds of minus 1 by s plus 3 whole square. Now second time differentiation 2 by s plus 3 whole cube. Okay na? This is the required value. So next example, find the Laplace transformation of t into e power t into sin 4t. So this is the product of the three functions. Okay, this is a very important question, this model. So to find here, so first of all finding assumption, this is f of t అండి. ఓకేనా, ఇది ఎలా ఉంది, e power at, ఇది మల్టిప్లికేషన్ బై t, అంటే ఇక్కడ e power at into f of t ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ తీయడం. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద మల్టిప్లికేషన్ బై t ఫంక్షన్. ఓకేనా, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఫైండింగ్ l of sin 4t. సో l of sin 4t is equal 4 by s square plus 16. సో నెక్స్ట్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ బై టీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్, లేదంటే మీరు ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ తీరు యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఈ పవర్ టీ ఇంటూ సైన్ పవర్ టీకి మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా, సో ప్రొడక్ట్ కాబట్టి ఎట్లయినా చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో లాప్లేస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ టీ ఇంటూ సైన్ 4t ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు, సో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ బై టీ కదా, సో డివిజన్ వన్ టైమ్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ మైనస్ డి బై డిఎస్ ఎల్ ఆఫ్ సైన్ 4t. సో దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ డి బై డిఎస్ ఆఫ్ 4 by s square plus 16. So one time differentiation 4 into 1 by s square plus 16 whole square, again derivative of s square into 2s. So this is the 8s by s square plus 16 whole square. Next multiplication by e power t undi kada, by using next first shifting theorem. So that is equal to L of e power t into sin 4t. So assumption this is again f of t అనుకోండి, అవునా, ఇది e power at into this total function f of t by using first shifting theorem here. e power at into f of t is equal to f of s minus a కదా. సో దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు f of s అంటే కదా 8s by s square plus 16 whole square, ఇది f of t కదా, అవునా. సో దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు దీని ఇందులో యూ హ్యావ్ టు రీప్లేసింగ్ s by s minus 1. సో 8 into s minus 1 by s minus 1 whole square plus 16 whole square. So that is equal to, therefore the required value is 8 into s minus 1 by expanding x square plus 2s plus 17 whole square. This is the required value. So this model problem is an important long question. Yeah, next one, find integration 0 to t into e power minus 2t into sin 3t dt. So this is also important question model, because here this is a integral function, this is a multiplication by t, this is a first shifting theorem. So మనకి 3 వచ్చాయి ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఇక్కడ, ఓన్లీ సింగిల్ ప్రాబ్లం 3 ప్రాపర్టీస్ యూజింగ్. ఓకేనా, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఫైండింగ్ ఇయర్ f of t assumption, find L of f of t. So L of sin 3t is equal to 3 by s square plus 9. Next finding multiplication by t, L of t into ఇక్కడ t ఉంది కాబట్టి L of t into sin 3t is equal to minus d by ds of L of sin 3t, that is equal to minus d by ds of 3 by s square plus 9. So differentiation here 3 into 2s by s square plus 9 whole square. Okay na. Next one e power minus 2t. So L of e power minus 2t into t sin 4t, this assumption, this is f of t assumption and okay na. So e power minus 8 into this is f of t, already L of f of t is find out chesam, this is the f of s. So that is equal, formula is first shifting theorem, f of s plus a kada, a is equal to 2, f of s plus 2. So this is f of s, indulo replacing s by s plus 2, that is equal 6 into s plus 2 by s plus 2 whole square plus 9 whole square. Okay na, ఇది ఫస్ట్ వన్. నెక్స్ట్ మనకి ఏముంది ఇక్కడ, ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఫంక్షన్. ఓకేనా, సో దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఫంక్షన్ 0 to t into e power minus t, that is equal to a okay. So therefore the required value is Laplace transformation of integral function. So integration 0 to t, this is total f of t kada, that is equal 1 by s into formula manaki L of f of t. So that is equal using this formula. So L of f of t already finding here, this one, okay na, substituting here. So that is equal to 6 into s plus 2 by s into s square plus 4s plus 13 whole square. This is the required value of given Laplace transformation of given integral function. Okay, this is also important question. Yeah, next property, Laplace transformation of division by t. Yeah, previous topic is multiplication by t kada. So now here division by t and a given function f of t, then f of t by t. Now finding Laplace transformation of f of t by t. See that one property is given. So we know that L of f of t is equal to f of s. Then Laplace transformation of f of t by t is equal to integration s to infinite f of s ds. This is the formula only. So ఇక్కడ f of s ఏంటి means this is Laplace transformation f of t given function. So దానికి Laplace transform find out చేసి next we have to finding integration from s to infinite. Okay na, this is the Laplace transformation of division by t. So first example, find Laplace transformation of sin t by t. So that is equal to here, since we know that L of f of t by t is equal to integration s to infinite L of f of t into ds. So given function here f of t by t, sin t by t, f of t is equal to sin t, that is equal to formula integration s to infinite L of sin t into ds. Now finding L of sin t, so that is equal to integration s to infinite 1 by s square plus 1 into ds. Now integration 1 by s square plus 1 means tan inverse s from the limit s to infinite, upper limit infinite and lower limit s, that is equal to upper limit infinite means tan inverse infinite is equal to 5 by 2 minus s plus low s, tan inverse s. So this is the 5 by 2 minus tan inverse s is equal to cot inverse s. This is the required value of L of sin t by t. Yeah, next example, find L of e power minus t minus e power minus 2t by t. So this is f of t by t, division by t form. So using this formula, so that is L of e power minus t minus e power minus 2t by t, that is equal to formula integration s to infinite L of f of t is equal to here. Okay, so first finding Laplace transformation. So integration s to infinite, that is first Laplace transformation 1 by s plus 1 minus 1 by s plus 2. Now integration here, so integration of 1 by s plus 1 log s plus 1 minus 1 by s plus 2 integration log s plus 2. So substituting s to infinite upper limit lower limit. So this is first time log a minus log b, log a by b. So first upper limit infinite, so that is equal to here, again here directly substituting s log infinite getting not defined here. So now simplification is first s common numerator denominator, so 1 plus 1 by s by 1 plus 2 by s. Now substituting upper limit infinite, that is log 1 0 minus log of 1 plus 1 by s by 1 plus 2 by s. Now simplification is log minus kada, minus interchanging means numerator denominator change. So simplification is log s plus 2 by log s plus 1. So that is equal to take the LCM and ikkada minus numerator denominator will be changed, that is equal to log of s plus 2 by s plus 1. This is the required value. So next one, find Laplace transformation of 2 sin square t by t. So same formula f of t by t, since L of f of t by t is equal to formula here, substituting here f of t is equal to 2 sin square t, that is equal to integration s to infinite L of 2 sin square t into ds. So that is equal to here, this is a second degree polynomial converted to first degree polynomial, 1 minus cos 2t. So that is equal to Laplace transformation here So that is equal to integration s to infinite L of 1 by s is equal to 1 by s. L of cos 2t is equal to s by s square plus 4. So that is equal now integration. So 1 by s integration log s. So this is which form here? S by s square plus 4 kada. Ante f dash of s by f of s formula. That is log f of x here. There is no 2. So dividing multiply with 2. Okay, now 1 by 2 into log of x square plus 4. Now simplification is log a by b form. Log a minus log b kada. Log a by b, that is equal s by root of s square plus 4. Now we have to common s common numerator and denominator. That is equal to here minus log infinite 0 minus log of s by square root of s square plus 4. That is equal to here log 1 వస్తుందండి ఇక్కడ 1 by 1 is a log 1 is equal to 0. ఎందుకంటే s కామన్ ఇస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. s కామన్ ఇస్తే s is a cancel అయిపోతుంది. 1 by 1 that is equal log 1 0. So that is equal to simplification is minus is a taken, numerator denominator changed. So log of square root of s square plus 4 by s. Okay. So next question, find Laplace transformation of integration 0 to t e power t into sin t by t into dt. So this is also important question. So that is equal to here first of all this is ఎలా అని చెప్పండి, ఇది e power t sin t అంటే ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ థీరం, and this is f of t by t division by t. Okay, first of all finding here assumption this is f of t. So L of f of t, L of sin t is equal to 1 by s square plus 1. So now here next finding e power t into sin t. Assumption again this is f of t. So L of t into sin t is equal to, by using first shifting theorem, f of s minus a kada. ఇక్కడ a is equal to 1. So f of s is equal this one. In this one replacing s by s minus 1. So that is 1 by s minus 1 whole square plus 1. So now using again this is f of t. Okay na? That is equal to here ఇది ఎలా అని చెప్పండి, ఇది L of f of t by t కదా, division by t. So formula is integration s to infinite L of f of t. ఇక్కడ f of t is equal to e power t sin t. So this is already finding L of f of t and this is f of s. Okay na? This replacing integration s to infinite, this is equal to 1 by s minus 1 whole square plus 1 into ds. This is the assumption f of s. Now integration is 1 by s square plus form here tan inverse s kada. So that is equal to tan inverse s place లో s minus 1 up s to infinite limits, upper limit infinite. So tan inverse infinite and 5 by 2 minus tan inverse of s minus 1. So this is also we can write cot inverse s minus 1. Okay na? So this is the only f of t by t. Next finding Laplace transformation of integral function. Again assumption this is f of t. Okay na? That is equal to here. So Laplace transformation of integration 0 to t, this is again f of t dt. That is equal formula 1 by s into L of f of t. F of t and again e power t sin t by t. Already find out this is equal to 1 by s into cot inverse s. Okay. So this is the required value of the given function. So next other topic is Laplace transformation of unit step function. So unit step is the one of the function. So how to finding Laplace transformation of this type of function. So first to see the definition. So unit step function is defined as u of t minus a. This is the unit step function. So is equal to 0 when t less than a, is equal to 1 when t greater than a. So then Laplace transformation of this type of function. So L of u of t minus a, this unit step function is equal to formula integration 0 to infinite e power minus st into f of t. F of t అంటే ఇదే కదా మనకి u of t minus a, మనకి basic definition of Laplace transformation. So that is equal to here 0 to infinite, but given function u of t minus a is defined in two cases. So this is t less than a means 0 to a. So t greater than a means a to infinite. Okay na? Substituting here. So integration is also separating. So that is equal to the graph of unit step function. Okay na? So 0 to a nemo value 0. a to infinite ఏమో ఇది 1 వస్తుంది చూడండి, ఇది 1, ఇదేమో 0. సో సీ ద ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఇయర్. ఫస్ట్ 0 to a అయినప్పుడు ఈ u of t minus c is equal value 0, సో 0 అండి. ప్లస్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ a to infinite, then u of t minus a is equal to 1, ఓకేనా. సో దిస్ వాల్యూ 0. So now finding this integration, e power minus st integration e power minus st by minus s limits a to infinite. So that is equal to e power minus infinite and 0 minus of minus plus t is equal to a e power minus as by s. So that is equal to e power minus as by s. So this is the Laplace transformation of given unit step function. So see the note, when a is equal 0, when a is equal 0, that unit step function defined as u of t is equal 0 when t less than 0, is equal to 1 when t greater than 0. So this is when a is equal 0 అయినప్పుడు unit step function. Okay. So again in this one, in this case Laplace transformation of u of t is equal to 1 by s, ఓకేనా. ఇదేమో u of t minus a అయినప్పుడు Laplace transformation. This is the only when a is equal 0, then Laplace transform is equal to 1 by s. So next one, another function is unit impulse function. Laplace transformation of unit impulse function. So this is the definition, and unit impulse function is defined as f of t minus a epsilon is equal to 1 by epsilon when the condition is the t value is between a to a plus e. So otherwise 0, అంటే below less than a and above a plus a is the value is 0 అనమాట. So now finding Laplace transformation. So L of f of t minus a epsilon e, this is f of t assumption by using basic definition of Laplace transformation, అవునా. This is f of t. So that is equal to finding. So given function defined two cases, that is only 0 to a 0, a to infinite 0. So but here t is only between the value, that is equal to here. So that is equal to here. So first 0 to a otherwise condition kada. So f of t minus is value 0. Next to a to some finite value a plus epsilon, a to a plus epsilon, f of t minus a is equal to 1 by epsilon into dt plus that is equal to here, that is equal to integration a plus epsilon to up to infinite. This is also otherwise here, then value 0, okay na. So this is 0, this is 0. So now integration this one. So 1 by epsilon is a constant. So 1 by epsilon into integration of e power minus st is equal to e power minus st by minus s. So a to a plus epsilon, that is equal to 1 by epsilon, first upper limit a plus epsilon. So e power minus s into a plus epsilon minus e power minus as by s minus s. Now simplification is e power minus as is a common. So by denominator s into epsilon, the minus is also common. So 1 minus e power minus s epsilon. So where s is a greater than 0, epsilon is a greater than 0. So this is the required value of Laplace transformation of unit impulse function. Okay. So this is the graph of unit impulse function. So this is the t values, this is the f of t minus a values. So this is the only here exist value a to a plus epsilon. So remaining all, this is 0, this is 0, okay na. So this is one of the topic here. For more videos please do subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you.